Do you spend more time reading about what you like to code instead of actually coding it? Yeah, me too. One thing that I've noticed is that it is very common to me to read blog posts and watch YouTube videos about projects that I would like to build. I'm talking about data science and machine learning, but you can think of anything else. I have this perfectionist thing of trying to learn as much as I can before trying to code. Trying to get the big picture or the perfect roadmap for what I want to learn. All of this just to start with the right foot. And for what? What is the problem of starting a project just knowing the basic stuff? That's nothing wrong. Here's a practical example. A time ago, I wanted to learn large language models. However, I was spending too much time reading blog posts about LLMs than trying to spend some time coding and building some project for beginners level. And now you might agree with me. I was learning something, but was I learning as much as I would if I was following some basic tutorials? I don't believe so. And recently, I came across a solution for this problem. Well, I'm reading a great book named Atomic Habits. It is a really interesting book that I recommend if you want to improve and get better habits. And one great concept that is mentioned there is the motion versus action. There is a mistake that often happens with people like me, and probably like you, and it is related with these two words. It might seem the same thing at first, but they aren't the same thing. Basically, when you are in motion, you are learning and planning about something that you want to do. For example, you want to learn a new tech, a new programming language, and you are planning and creating a roadmap to learn about that. And you spend a lot of time in this phase. The problem is, it gives you the sensation that you are moving forward, but you're not. While the action is the behavior that will deliver the results that you want. You will actually learn how to code something new, you will actually build a project that you want to. And here lies the difference. You cannot reach your goals with motion. You need the action. Both are important, but I really believe that you need more action than motion to learn and build something. So what matters is that we learn by doing and we learn by coding. We face challenge and make mistakes and we overcome them. And the funny thing is that I'm always telling people this: to build projects, to copy projects, to follow tutorials, or to build original projects. Everything will help you to build something and build some knowledge around a new tech or a new programming language. As I mentioned before, the important thing here is to face problems and work some solutions to overcome this problem. And that's the way to learn. I'm sure that you will agree with me on this. You already face problems in original projects that you coded, problems that you work to find a solution, and I'm sure that you can mention it now, and I'm sure that you can mention it in any interview. You can talk about a specific problem and you can talk about the solution that you found to solve that problem. And this kind of knowledge is acquired by coding, and it is not acquired by reading blog posts or watching YouTube videos, which all is necessary, but it's not the core of our knowledge. Worst case scenario, you won't like the project that you already started, but you already finished, you have it in your portfolio, and you can give an opinion about the tech that you use and learn, of course. In the end, what really matters to us is to have fun while coding and building projects while learning new things. I believe that this is what really sparked our interest in learning how to code. I hope to see you around. Peace. Bye.